This trip was supposed to be about having fun at the KOA with the grandkids. But before we get into all of that, we need to talk to you about the Curt suspension recall. Since our new RV has that suspension, it definitely got our attention. Then we'll show you the KOA, what we liked, what we didn't, and of course the usual travel day chaos.
So one thing I wanted to address since we're here is our suspension on our trailer. Now, as you know, we have the Curt Touring Coil Suspension, and I did do some research, you know, after we bought the trailer, but we did get a few comments as far as what's been going on with especially the shock absorbers. And I got a few comments, which was great. It kind of gives you the heads up, and you know, they're all saying, yeah, got to be careful with those. You know, Keystone, they recalled a few trailers because what happens is the shocks actually break off. The bolts, apparently they've been torqued too high, so they're snapping off. And I've seen some video also of it happening where the shock will fall down, start to hit the road, and that's what is kind of my nightmare. I don't want the shock absorber to fall down, hit the ground, break off on both ends, start tumbling back, tear up the underneath of the trailer, and then go behind me, bounce up and hit some vehicle in the windshield. So that's kind of a nightmare scenario. Like I said, I heard Keystone is recalling several trailers. I don't know if Lippert as a whole is going to do a whole recall on all of them. But for now, I'll have to keep an eye on it. I have been looking at possible preventive issues or preventive ways to maybe secure the shocks to the frame, either using heavy duty zip tie or a clamp of some sort. So if the bolt does shear, at least the shock itself will stay on the slot so it won't go flying off. I don't know if you guys have any ideas or heard of any way to do that. Maybe let me know. You know, I would appreciate it. Another issue that we are dealing with, is, you know, it was a couple of videos ago or so, you remember, if you watched it, our door kept coming open. So I've done several things to it because this door will not shut and stay shut, as you can see. See, it's still not locking. So you have to almost open the latch and then secure it. Then you have to lock it. We decided, you know what? Let's just take this in. So we came back from Oregon. I called up the dealership and they said, yeah, bring it in the next day, which I did. Took it over there, and these guys, I didn't even disconnect. They came over here, and what they started doing to attempt to fix the door pretty much was the same thing I was doing. They tried to flatten out the striker. They even went ahead and tried to tweak the hinges over here, right? But it wasn't working. And I said, okay, you guys, now what? You know, what are we going to do here? He goes, well, it looks like we're just going to have to order a new door, do the warranty. I go, and that's what I kind of figured, because these doors you can't slam. And that's basically what we've been doing, is slamming it, just try to get it shut tight. If we don't, as you can see what would happen, you know, when we were coming back from Oregon, it opened up on us a couple of times. So the door's on order right now. When it gets in, then we're going to go ahead and take it in when they call us, and hopefully it should just be a few hour job. But meanwhile, in order to secure the door from the inside and lock it while we're asleep, because we have to close the door, I have to hold the handle and then lock the lock like that. That is the only way that door will shut. So hopefully it won't take that long for the door to come in. When it does, get it fixed, and then we'll let you guys know kind of what's going on with this unit. Okay, you guys, we are here at the KOA in
Twin Falls.
Twin Falls. It's a holiday KOA, isn't it?
Yes.
And of course, it's a very windy day, unfortunately. And this is my second shirt that I've had today because I came here for lunch and I had an Uncrustable, and as I bit into it, what happened, Brenda?
The jelly exploded.
It exploded. Got it all over my shirt. Usually it's Brenda that, you know,
no, it is
spills
not.
all the food all over herself, you know. It's kind of embarrassing, but I deal with it.
I have to stock and spray and wash due to him.
Anyway, this is the office area right here where you check in. This KOA does have a lot of, you know, amenities if you got kids. There's a playground. And the swimming pool, which is unbelievable. It's like 70 degrees out here, but the wind is 125 miles an hour. There's tornadoes on the horizon, and these guys, they're in the pool swimming. I don't get it. But yeah, with the grandkids that we got, it's kind of nice because there are a lot of activities that you can do. They've got the old giant chess set game that you can play. Of course, they've got cornhole, and they also have, you know, like those arcade basketball games. So there's a lot to do here. The plastic axe throwing. Like most KOAs, they've got your cabins for those who don't want to bring tents or RVs. So this part of the park, which is next to the little river right here.
Well, this is actually just a pond.
Or a pond, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a fishing pond. I don't know where I got river from.
Yeah.
But
it might be attached to a river, I don't know.
As you can tell, nice spots or spaces. Got a lot of space in between.
These are definitely the better sites back here.
Yeah. And we're going to show you our site
map
when we get there, how it differs from this area over here. And in true fashion, they have a miniature golf course here. It looks like it's a pretty good shape compared to a lot of other places that have, you know, mini golf. But I think when the boys get out of the swimming pool, we may have to try a quick game as long as the wind cooperates with us. This particular KOA does have 2 pet areas. This is one of 2 right here. And what's cool about this, it has an arcade games, but what's even cooler is they're free. Okay, now we're in the section of the park that we're staying in. There's the other dog park, and here they have a Gaga arena or
ball.
what?
It's Gaga ball.
Gaga ball arena. But what's really odd is, you guys, there's this trailer right here, and I don't know if I don't think anybody's staying in here. You see how close it is. I'm just wondering if somebody stores it here or what, but it doesn't look like anybody's in here. But if they were, and you had a bunch of kids, like our grandkids were in here playing and making all kinds of noise, fighting, throwing the balls, and I'm sure it's
I don't even know how
a good
honestly,
possibility of hitting the trailer.
I don't even know if they can pull the slide out without there.
I don't think they can.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, so I don't know what the dealio there is, you guys.
It might be just storage.
It could be. That's what I said. You know,
yeah.
Maybe somebody who works here just keeps it here. Who knows? We come over to our campsite. Now,
Come on.
our area over here, these sites, they're pretty close together in this section. And I wanted to show you guys where our rig is. We're right there. Okay, we're right there. And there's the neighbor. So check this out. Look how close we are. I mean, my window, I could probably almost shake hands with this person over here. Fortunately for us, it's my daughter and son-in-law's trailer, but if these were strangers, I'd be like, I don't know about this. I mean, you can hear everything in there. It's like living in an apartment building, you know what I'm saying? But I thought you'd have to see that. That's kind of one of the, I think the down.
Well, in this area right here.
In this area.
Right, this first couple is really close together.
Yeah.
Sites.
To make up for it, it does come with the patio.
The first person.
Yeah, for the first person.
Yeah.
But like I said, they're with us. So yesterday we attempted a fire with some s'mores, but it started getting windy.
Yeah, it was
last night too, so it was kind of hard to get a fire going. But that is pretty much it as far as this KOA. I mean, it's right off the road, and that's kind of another drawback.
the road's
you
right
can
there.
see this is the main entrance. I mean, we're right next to the main entrance, and the road's right here. I didn't really hear too much as far as...
I'm not a person who trips too much on the road noise.
Road noise, yeah.
But it does bother some people.
Yeah, it does.
Pulled into the campground, sunshine in the sky. Our grandkids are running wild, laughter flying by.
Bikes around the campsite, splashing in the pool, making little memories, breaking all the rules.
These are the days we'll always hold, stories we'll tell when we grow old. Campfires glowing, marshmallows sweet, grandkids dancing to their own beat. Life moves fast, but for now we're free, making campground memories.
So we had tacos for dinner, which is great. And then Brenda decided to bake. What kind of a cake?
It's a carrot.
Carrot cake in the oven. But we're not sure if the temperature
I don't know, it turned off.
is off. And yeah, and for some reason the oven turned off. And she's checking it out now.
That's done.
Is it done?
Yeah.
She was calling it a failure, but she says it's done now. Because for a long time it was off. We didn't know it, and she kept checking it. It was like, this thing's not cooking. So apparently it's done now. And then the only thing we got to do is clean up the taco mess. Morning, everybody. Well, it's travel day. We're finna get ready to go. Just gotta flush all my tanks, get things picked up, get things cleaned up, pick up my grill, clean it up. It's a mess. This place has got a lot of trees, as you can probably see, and with these trees there's a lot of birds. I got bird crap all over everything on the trailer. See, I think I got some spots up there I'm gonna have to clean off. Also on my truck, it's a mess. But yeah, we're fitting to get ready to go. It's a little bit different this time around because we got the grandsons with us, and if you look in the trailer, it's kind of chaotic right now. Brenda's over there cooking. Hey.
Morning.
Morning. Hunter. Luckily we have the bed, so they all three slept on the bed. How's breakfast?
Good.
It was good? It's aight? Okay. Brenda's over there cooking, and she's having issues with I guess you brought the wrong pan for the biscuits.
This pan's done.
It's going bye-bye?
Yeah, it's supposed to be non-stick, but it's stuck.
Okay. Yeah, she's over
I
here.
need a new pan.
She's over here complaining.
And then, of course, we were out of sliced cheese.
So now we got to use.
a Fiesta blend.
Hey, that's what we do, right?
Improvise.
Overcome and adapt. That's how we do it, right, you guys? All right. All right, you guys. We're gonna get ready to go, and then I'll talk to you later as we're getting hooked up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, we're at a rest stop here. We come in this rest stop, and there's like two trucks that are parked the opposite direction of the parking, taking up probably 12 spots. You know, I mean, I just don't get it. As you know, the door is still kind of screwed up here. Ridiculous. Hopefully that new door is going to come in pretty soon. Okay, that was our last pit stop before we get to our final destination. And I don't know how these guys do it, but they seem like they never have to use the bathroom.
They're young.
I guess so. But anyway, you guys, yeah, we had a pretty good trip, and I think the boys had a good time.
Did you guys all have a good time?
Yeah.
Okay, good deal. So we're gonna get there, and I'm gonna put this bad bear to bed, this trailer back here, and I think we'll probably
for a week.
for a week, yeah, and then we're taking off again. But yeah, if you guys like, why don't you do us a favor?
Yeah, if you like
Subscribe?
the comment,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, give us a comment, a like.
That
You
didn't
know-
make any sense. I said like the comment.
Yeah, we're
Give
trying.
us a like.
Yeah, we're trying
You know?
here. Yeah, remember, we're old. So,
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
So.
all right, you guys, until next time, we'll see y'all later.